Hi, welcome you. This video is a kaggle gemma4 challenging video, and in this video I show you what we are making and how I make it. So this is our ongoing and running our app in my device. Device I show in your screen. I little bit try to zoom it because so visible perfectly. According to that, I can scroll down. Okay, you see I let's take a few moment time to exploring the only app features. That's a sidebar option. You have a feature, you have a multiple chat, multiple conversation, multiple chat window. Okay, save all in local. It's all in local chat, local save, and you can create your new conversation. This thing also you have a multiple language support. So see, this is a multiple language you support. Initially have a English, Hindi, Bengali, Spanish, Arabic, Urdu and French. Okay, and have another option is choosing your model. In why I giving this option, because now I working a gemma4. I train my model in limited data sources because I have a resources restrictions. I have not a huge GPU. That's the reason. In future, as a training or train my model in large data set with the great GPU resources we have, then we are time to choosing a model through this option. Okay, another option I can give it the restore default model as a previously running. We choose that option. Okay, for the I also thread what's a thread now using. I show you. That's I try to again run this app. So it's closed now. Again he open, and when I searching model. It's running very fast. So if you see the loading model when wait, I clearly focus on the screen. Model is loaded, but that what's a thread is using not showing. Let's pause. Let's pause it. Okay, so no problem, let's leave it. That's basically I observing that's a thread 7 it use, and this have a features, have a multiple support. I asking a नमस्ते मैं आपकी किस प्रकार सहायता कर सकता हूँ, कृपया अपने स्वास्थ्य संबंधी प्रश्न पूछे. And then I talking to English. Hi, hello, how can I help you today? Feel free to ask me a health related question you may have. I am here to provide you with the information and guidance. Okay, and then when we are asking another language, like see, I asking a health related question with that. So I asking so much as Anika so much pain. I cause the many things such as the integration, gas, gastric ulcer, and the food poisoning, and even something more serious. And the 6 point he taking to explaining this problem. And then I next asking a head pain. He have taking a lots of generating a content. You see this. Okay, and next I show you the I giving a doctor prescriptions file. That's a section in the future we are working, because just wait, I cut this call because is coming on my phone. That's visible on the screen. Okay, so this is extracting from your text file. Like this feature we implemented for doctor prescription have you can extract and give it to a model can generate according to a prescription what's in it. Okay, have a more refinement required for this working up perfectly. Okay, and I asking without internet you can give the answer, then it's giving me a without internet answer. Now you see the internet access, because that time I internet access, don't worry, I close the internet, and that's I ask something, I create a new chat, and I have head pen. I can lots of time asking this question. Another question I ask, I lost my hair. Lots of hair loss when I take a bath. Give me a reason why this happened with me. Okay, that's a generating that's another section we can talk. Namaste, hi, and you can start your new chat. You also delete anything that's not you required. You can delete it here from conversation, you can delete it, and you can remove according to that. Have a prescription option, you can click this prescription, and that's a have a feature here. You can on running model, you can stop it from here. Oh sorry, you will not see now. Stop it from here. Have a prescription, you can upload doctor prescription. Otherwise, have any person who have blind, you not see, then the click it mic option and ask a question, then asking the question, that's it reply your question back, so you can listen your question, you correct asking or not. If anything wrong, you can edit according to that, and then after the generating a response, then he speak that response it back, so you can listen it. Okay, so if you understand what he generated, you say, hello, I understand you are experiencing hair loss after taking a bath. This can be very distressing experience. There are several potential reason why you might not hair loss after the bathing. It's important consider the context, your symptoms, and the lots of thing is generated. But now I try to stop this model, and I show you again another feature. Then I stop it, then I go to a prescription option, and I have also a bill. Okay, this, and I give it wait some time. Okay, see, it's a doctor prescription, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hospital, New Delhi. Okay, name, address, Siba, and government and city Delhi. OPD ticket 30 December 2025, and general BPW, and the sex and the contact. But it's extracting, but not a perfect extracting. Something make a mistake. That's a refinement as required in this section of the part. And according to that, he is generating your response. Hello, I analyze the medical document you provided. Here are breakdown simple terms. Okay, but when he have not any context or data, we are take it या not give it from, मतलब कि अगर नहीं मिल पाता है यहाँ से, then they is responding according to that. Okay, now I stop it also. Now let's I new conversation, and I asking about the mic section. Okay, and try to run. Okay, this section have a required internet action, because I am not loading a language package in my model, in my app. If you install the language package, that is working perfectly offline mode. But now we are all those questions we asking, you see the airplane mode is open in my phone. Okay, now I go to net open. Okay, I airplane mode off. But the till now we asking all those questions without internet or Wi-Fi connection, because I turn it off. I connect cut the connection from the internet or any networking. Then I asking all those questions. Now internet connected, then I go to asking a mic access. Hello, can you hello, can you give me a reason why my head is paining?
You asked, hello, can you give me a reason why my head is paining?
Okay, I ask a question, then it generate the question response again back. So we are confirming because I asking us right question. Hello, can you give me a reason why my head is paining? So according to the question, then he is generating the response. After generating a response, it again speaking back what he generated. Okay, but generating we waiting some time. Okay, before regenerating, let's talk another section of the video. I try to I try to explaining about all those features. So you see the 100% local LLM integration, Llama C++ high performance I use in this backend, because this backend Llama CPP help me to quantize my fine-tune model and quantize and make the device compatibility Android hardware resources according to that. That's the backend part is a Llama CP++ use. That's a best thing, this challenge. Okay, and the problem we are talking, that's a intelligent prescription scanner, medical decoding, blind friendly voice assistant, because a blind person who can access voice interface with the repeat and replay logic. It listen to your question, repeat it to confirming and speak the AI medical response. And the medical decoding automatically simplify the complex prescription into a health issue, symptoms, medicines, and do or don'ts. That's a part of the model have a more refinement also. And the intelligent prescription scanner advanced on device OCR extract the text from the doctor handwritten and the pen printed reported. And 100% local, 100% is working on local without internet exchange, because you can see that till now before the few part of the back of the video I turn it my aeroplane mode on and then asking all those questions. And the native language support chat and listen multiple language, English, Hindi, Bengali, Spanish, Arabic, Urdu and French. The real time streaming, instant feedback, word to word text generation. You can see in the screen word by word it's generating the text. After confirming and the generating, then he speak. And the conversation history, you can see this history all are saved here. Okay, and the custom model setting, easily switch between different .gguf file model file from your phone's storage. And the tech stack we use in this file, UI, Jetpack, compose material true with the policing medical clinic theme, UI we are use AI engine, Llama CPP, C++ via custom GNI bridge, multiple threading we are using, OCR, Google ML Kit vision on device text generation we are use. For the voice Android speech recognizer and the text to speech we are using. For the storage, custom SQL implementation. For maximum stability with the AGP 9.2.1 we are using here. Concurrency, Kotlin, coroutine and the state flow we are using. So now he is generating a response, because that's we are waiting here. So see the output, then it speak after a successfully generated. So we are waiting here. I go through with the folder structure, and then that's you see the Kotlin and the Java in the com.example.gemma4 app. That's a unique my project name, and my app name is Dr. AI Medical Assistant, and that's a data. Conversation DAO, that's all the conversation part are stored here. Functionality also stored here. UI theme part are here. color, theme, type, that's all are here. Chat view model here, lemma bridge, main activity, prescription scanner, voice assistant. Prescription scanner, that's a part you see the we are uploading a doctor prescriptions and the text extract, all those features we are writing the code there. Prescription scanner, voice assistant, now we are running on the screen. I asking the question, then the model will be speak back my question and the response be generated completely, then the speak back the responses also. That's a voice assistant part. And the normally we are conversing, asking the question health related, that's all those main activity. Chat by model, that's all the part of the we are completely package to helping the all those questions we are easily. And that's a front end part. And the back end part, CPP, llama CPP and the CMake list and the llama bridge, all those code are written here. Okay, and there is a resources section. That's all about this Kotlin front end and back end part of this app. That's basically the good thing is the llama CPP plus, but that's helping a lot of for Android compatibility feature. That's now is generating the okay, you now is generating. We are waiting some time more because we don't stopping, otherwise I stop it, it's a not speak back. Okay, after this section this section we are covering, then we go to the covering the how to model choose, how to which tool I use to fine tuning model, which data set we are using. And that's also part we are using a llama CPP to converting shape tensor to a GGUF format, and the quanta is the 10 GB file to a 3 GB file, so we are easily run on the Android device. Okay, let's stop it. Let's we are explaining the cover the that part we are how to fine tune a model hour. Okay, then we when we are starting speaking, then we stop it and come back here. Then this section pip install accelerate pft bits and bytes TRL and the upgrade tensor transformer library. Then import the packages data set, load data set from the Hugging Face, transformer auto model for casual LLM, auto tokenizer, bits and bytes configuration, trainer argument pipeline logging and PFT, LoRa configuration and PFT. Okay, and that's not to be a full fine tuning because we are not a full fine tuning have a resources. I have only a few short fine tuning because only not a full parameter we are full neural network we are changes, only a few networking we are changes here. Okay, so LoRa config we are use it here. And the data set we using a medical data set. I will show you. This is a medical data set. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is a medical data set we use for fine tuning my LLM gemma4 E2 billion fine tuning, and the model we use, this model we use here, and the new model will generated with this name, and this is a parameter we use it here, and the pose number of pose are using 1, and that's all our setting we are put it here, and the GPU we use here. Then this part will be loading a data set. That's a data set have here. This data set we are loaded here, and the 2,000 of the rows we are taking for a fine tuning. This is taking approx 15 minutes.
Hello. I understand you are experiencing a headache. Headaches are very common and can be caused by many different things. To give you a helpful answer, I need a little more information about your pain. Could you tell me more about your headache? For example, 1. Where exactly is the pain located? E.g., all over the head, one side, temples, back of the head. 2. What does the pain feel like? E.g., throbbing, sharp, dull ache, pressure, stabbing. 3. How long have you been experiencing this pain? E.g., minutes, hours, days, weeks. 4. Are there any other symptoms accompanying the headache? E.g., nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light or sound, neck stiffness, fever, vision changes. 5. What is your general lifestyle like? E.g., stress levels, sleep patterns, diet, hydration. In the meantime, here are some of the most common general causes of headaches. Tension headaches. These are the most common. They often feel like a tight band around the head. They are usually caused by stress, muscle tension in the neck and shoulders, poor posture, or dehydration. Migraines. These are often severe, throbbing pain, usually on one side of the head, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity.
I stop this model because it is too much time to explaining all those generating part. But this section is a very perfectly work for if any person who have a blind, who not have able to read and see, that's the feature is perfectly working. And then the clicking of one mic option and then asking the question be repeated by the model AI by the app, and when we are generating the response after completely generating, then the speak back. That's a great thing I see in this. And all the feature I can try to show you. That's the part we are trying to covering is llama cpp with help of fine-tuning models. This section we are covering. Then format data set format be using here, and all those pipeline and the bits and bytes configuration, and the torch for 16 GPU compatibility we check it here, and auto models, casual LLM pre-trained, and the tokenization and the PFT LoRa configuration we are set it here, and the SFP training argument we are all those parameter we are conforming requirements, then the conforming here, and then now the train the model. It's taking a time of the 20 so 50 minute, but it's the timing to running the 28 minute to covering. Okay, so it's only a few section of the data, because the before I recording this video by generating the make the training generated. You see the left hand side is the result folder is generated. In this result folder all those data will come. Okay, all this data will come in this folder, and that's generate a new model. Okay, save a pre-trained file. That's a TensorFlow board, you can check it. Okay, and after that sentence piece and tokenizer, that's help you to asking your question and model, and you can check it key model perfect fine working or not. If any problem, you can increase the number of epochs, increase the data, and that again you can train it. Okay, then after a completed, you can free your resources, and after that this section cell is helping you to merge your base model and the trained model to a parameter we are merging in this section. And after generating the file successfully generated the model, then you can push it to your model Hugging Face part. I saved all those models are here. So you see the F16 10 GB file, that's a quantize have a 3 GB approximately 4 GB file are here I uploaded. Then llama CP++ we use here to converting a shape tensor to GGUF format, and the checkpoint giving and the converting a GGUF format. Okay, and you see that's a section of the cell that's make a quantize my model Q4KM. Okay, and the GGUF for format 10 GB file can quantize into a 3 to 4 GB file. That's good for a app. I hope I can cover all those part. I tackle the problem part, like a prescription problem doctor have working, and also I create the story why this model is perfect. Doctor has a no time, prescription nobody could read, the one who cannot see, that's all problem we are covering and the solving this model, this app model. Okay, Doctor AI. Thank you to all. This is all about this Doctor AI video. That's a challenging kaggle. Thank you.